Imagine having 3 hearts beating inside your chest and blue blood running through your veins. Sounds like science fiction, right? But this isn't fiction. This is the octopus, one of the strangest, smartest, and most misunderstood creatures on our planet. By the end of this video, you'll understand why scientists sometimes call it the closest thing to an alien on Earth. Let's start with the obvious mystery. 3 hearts. 2 of them are called branchial hearts. Their only job is to pump blood to the octopus's gills, pushing oxygen into the bloodstream. The 3rd heart, the systemic heart, takes that oxygen-rich blood and pumps it to the rest of the body, muscles, organs, brain. But here's the strange part. When the octopus swims, the systemic heart actually stops beating. That's right. Mid-swim, 1/3 of its cardiovascular system shuts down. This is why octopuses get exhausted quickly when swimming, and why they prefer crawling along the ocean floor using their arms instead. 3 hearts, blue blood, and it gets even stranger. Octopuses don't have just 1 brain. They have 9. A central brain sits between their eyes, but 2/3 of their neurons are actually located in their arms. This means each of the octopus's 8 arms can taste, sense, and even make basic decisions independently, without instructions from the central brain. Scientists have observed that an octopus's severed arm can still respond to stimuli, reaching, grabbing, and reacting, even after being separated from the body. Octopuses are also masters of disguise. Their skin contains specialized cells called chromatophores, which can expand and contract to change color in less than a second. Combined with another type of cell called papillae, which can change the texture of their skin, octopuses can mimic not just the color, but the physical texture of rocks, coral, or sand around them. Some species, like the mimic octopus, take this even further, copying the shape and movement patterns of venomous sea creatures like lionfish or sea snakes to scare away predators. This isn't just biological trickery. Octopuses are remarkably intelligent. In laboratory studies, they've been observed solving puzzles, opening jars to reach food, and even using tools. There are documented cases of octopuses carrying coconut shells to use as portable shelters, a rare example of tool use in the animal kingdom, something scientists once believed was unique to primates and a few bird species. Despite all this complexity, most octopus species live surprisingly short lives, often just 1 to 2 years. Females typically die shortly after their eggs hatch, having spent weeks or months without eating, guarding, and protecting their eggs until the very end. It's one of nature's most striking examples of parental sacrifice. So why does all this matter? Octopuses represent one of the most independent evolutionary paths on Earth, separated from vertebrates like us for over 500 million years. Studying how they evolved complex intelligence, distributed nervous systems, and unique cardiovascular systems gives scientists valuable insight into how intelligence itself can evolve in completely different ways. 3 hearts, blue blood, 9 brains, a creature that can taste with its skin and think with its arms. The octopus isn't just an animal. It's proof that Earth still holds mysteries as strange as anything we could imagine finding on another planet. If you enjoyed learning about this alien of our oceans, subscribe to Nature's Narrative for more deep dives into the strangest creatures on Earth.